Hi, this is Kate Griswold with Great Lakes Scrapbook Events, and this tutorial will teach you how to set up your account to be ready for registration when it opens next week. The first thing you need to do is navigate to our website, greatlakesscrapbookevents.com. The banners that rotate on the homepage will take you to the respective events if you click them, or you can go to the pull-down menu and select Great Lakes Megameet. Now we're on the Great Lakes Megameet event page, and there is a lot of information here. All of these headings, if you click on them, they open up and give you information about hours, prices, classes, crops, etc. It's a great resource to learn about the Megameet, and it answers 99% of the questions you might have about the event. But in order to create your account, we want to focus on this purple button here that says Create Update Account. When you click that, it will take you to this screen, which will ask you if you've been here before to sign in. But since we are teaching you how to create an account, we want to come over here where it says First Time Here and click to create an account. The account we're going to create is going to be for Mary Smith at Megameet. I can't spell. You can create any password that you want. You just want to make sure that it's something you can remember when you want to come back and log in again. The next several boxes are just for demographic information. And Mary lives in Macomb. And I'm making up her zip code. And I'm going to make up her phone number. This next section asks, how did you hear about us? This section here is so that we can determine how you found out about us. We have a whole pull-down menu of options, and you just need to select the one that most describes how you heard about us. Most people are going to select friend. 99% of our people come to us from friends. If for some reason that pull-down menu does not include how you heard about us, you can fill in other and then just give us a little text to tell us how you heard about us. We don't store any credit card information within our system. When you check out and pay at the end of registration, it passes straight through to authorize.net, which is our secure payment processor. Our other tutorial video walks you through the entire registration process. This box here is automatically checked, and it indicates that you want to receive updates on upcoming events. This basically says, I want to receive the postcards that tell me when registration is open for the Great Lakes Megameet Scrapbooking Show. As long as you check this box, these postcards will come to you. The next box is to accept the terms of use for the site. You will have to check this button in order to complete creating your account. Once you've loaded all this information, click Update My Information, and it will create your account. Then banners for our upcoming events come up, and you click the banner that corresponds to the event for which you wish to register. Here, we'll select the Megameet. Registration is not open yet, but I do have the option to print and mail the registration form here. When you log in on the night of registration, perhaps a few minutes before the opening time, and you're thinking to yourself, open, 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 you can click here to check again, and it will refresh the screen for you to see if it has opened yet. For now, you are all set to be ready when registration opens. If you watch our other video, it will walk you through what the screens will look like when purchasing your tickets. Some people like to register their friends, and I'm going to show you how to set that up ahead of time as well. This purple bar here has this button, Register a New User. Click that, and look, it's the exact same screen you just filled out for yourself. Now here's the trick. If your friend has her own account, and if you're perhaps registering her because she has to work and you're trying to get seats together at the crop or into the same class, etc., but they plan to go back in and register for other classes or purchase merchandise at a later time, then that probably means that she already has an account with an email address attached to it. The system won't allow you to duplicate that email address, so it is possible to leave that blank. Email confirmations for things purchased for your friend on this account will only come to you if you leave that blank. Alternatively, if your friend has more than one email address, you can enter an email she has not already used to create her own account, and then you will both get the confirmation email. But in this case, we're just going to skip and create a sub account for Sue Jones. For purposes of speed, I won't fill in her address or any of that info again. But it does want me to fill out how did this person find out about the event. And again, we're just going to select friend. And the checkbox is here to determine if she wants to receive postcards. And you will have to accept the terms of use for the site for this person when you create her as a sub account. When you're finished, click update my information just like you did before. And now you can see Sue Jones shows up under the purple bar as additional people. You can see up here that you are logged in as Mary Smith, and below the bar are your friends. You can do this and create as many friends under this purple bar that you wish to, and you can register them on the night that registration opens. I think that covers it. When you're finished, you can just hit log out, and it will log you out of the system. And now the next time you'll be able to put in the email address and password that you've created and log straight back in because you've already created your account. We look forward to seeing you in May, and good luck when registration opens next week.